Hey guys, we are back with another unboxing, and this time it's from my favorites, Fashion Sense. And guys, I have to tell you guys something. The other night I finally did a show after like probably a month, and I've been on the platform for about 4 or 5 months and I've never been rated. I am very, like, when I go on somebody's show and I don't see anyone like purchasing, or they look like they're down, I leave a tip and I'll just leave if I can't, if it's not something that I like. And I just do that. Like, that's just me. I'm an Aries, that's my nature. And I met Fashion Sense and I purchased from her. I did a video for her. And the other night I was on live and she rated me. It was my first raid in the entire time I've been on that show. I've been on that platform, and it was just like so thoughtful. Like, I started crying. And then another seller I did a video on named Summer Lynn 45, she then raised me. Mind you, Karina's Closet comes in the show and she is talking or whatever, and then she tips me $100. Fashion Sense tips me money. Summer Lynn tips me. I was just like, the love that I got that night was so surreal. I'm still trying to pinch myself, like, was that real? I have never experienced what I've done for people to come back to me so quickly, tenfold. And that same night, someone came on the show and they said they couldn't afford Uggs that I was showing or whatever. And I was like, okay, how much do you have? And she was like, $11. And I was like, okay. I was like, babe, could we sell the Uggs for 11? He was like, yeah, sure. So it was like 2 pairs of Uggs that I had here. The color, you guys know I love pink and purple. I've had them since I was in high school and I've never gotten rid of them. People offered me so much money on Poshmark for them and I would not let them go. And I was just like, okay. I asked her which one she wanted to pick because I had a green pair that had a little rip in it, but it's a very uncommon color, so you can't get it. So a resale is gonna be crazy. If you go on Poshmark, you can see. And then the other ones I had, like, they don't even sell them anymore. When I bought them, they were limited edition. So she picked those and I sent them to her. And I also sent her some stuff from my other, you know, Bae's business, like some clothes or whatever. And it was just, I just did it, like, literally. And then there goes Karina with $100 tip. There goes Fashion Sense rating me. And sorry guys, a raid is like when a seller is leaving their show, they can send their you know, their viewers to your show to support you. So that's what she did. And then Summer Lynn comes in and does the same thing, and she comes in with like almost 70 people, and I'm just like, oh my god. So my show, for the first time without being sponsored, had like 100 people inside of it. And then I made so much new friends. I connected with so much different people. It was just like a surreal experience, and I would never ever forget that. I'm always gonna remember that because it was just like, it was like a wow moment. It was literally a wow moment. I was on live from 11 o'clock until almost 8 o'clock that morning. It was crazy. So this video is to tell Fashion Sense thank you. It's to tell Summer Lynn thank you, and it's to tell Karina's Closet thank you. You guys, I love you guys to death. You will forever have a friend in me. I am loyal now till death do us part. We married, guys. Because that, what you guys did that was phenomenal, okay? I still think I'm dreaming. All right, so now let's get to this unboxing of Fashion Sense. You guys know she has something good. I had to get it. I think, as always, packaging is so pretty. Look at that. Neatly packaged. Let's rip this open. One is for me, one is for Bae. Oh my god, I just dropped something she sent. God, she sent me earrings from Urban Outfitters. Oh my god, she sent me earrings from Urban Outfitters. This is so nice of her. So I got this shirt for Bae. This is so cute, guys. Oh my god, this is so cute. And I got this pink dress for me. It's an extra large from Royalty Maluma. On the model, she looks so pretty. This is never gonna fit me. I am a medium. So this is never gonna fit me. However, it's so cute, and you guys know my rule. If there's something that is nice and it's bigger than me, I could get it tailored or from my seamstress. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do, because you guys know it's pink. I just had to. Even though I knew it was in my size, I just had to. And of course, I'm supporting her as well. So it's a win-win situation. So guys, this video is really quick because I have to go. I told you guys we are so busy this week. We have a lot of appointments. So this is from Fashion Sense. You guys saw how it was packed. Do I recommend to? Come on, guys. You could answer that, of course. Would I shop with her again? Hell yeah. And let's do our AirPosh talk. Thank you guys for the likes, for the subscriptions, for the comments, for the views, for the shares. You guys allow me to live my dream out loud. I love you guys to death. Please be careful. Have a safe day today. And until we meet again, which is tomorrow. Mwah.